Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. We understand that setting a passcode on your iPhone is crucial to protect your important data. However, it can be quite troublesome if you encounter issues with Face ID and forget the screen passcode you previously set up. But fret not. In this video, we will share 4 helpful tips to help you get into iPhone if you forgot passcode. To erase your iPhone from the lock screen, follow these steps if your device is running iOS 15.2 or a later version and is signed into an Apple ID with Find My enabled and connected to the network. First, make several incorrect passcode attempts until you see their iPhone unavailable screen. Next, tap on Forgot Passcode and choose iPhone Reset from the options. Enter your Apple ID password and your iPhone will be automatically erased. Please wait for a while. Once the erasure is complete, you can proceed to set up your iPhone. The second tip is to use the Find My app. Ensure that both of your Apple devices are signed into an Apple account, have Find My enabled, and are connected to a network. Launch the Find My app on one of your devices. From the list of devices, select your unavailable iPhone. Tap on Erase this device. Enter your Apple ID password and your locked iPhone will be automatically erased. After the erasure process is complete, proceed to set up your iPhone. The device will display their iPhone Lock to Owner screen. Enter the correct account and password to proceed. Finally, you will regain access to your iPhone. To utilize iTunes for erasing your iPhone, follow these steps. Power off your iPhone. Press and hold the side button and volume up button simultaneously to enter recovery mode. Connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. If you're using a Windows computer, iTunes will open. If you're using a Mac, Finder will open. Click on the Restore button. iTunes will download the necessary firmware and automatically restore your iPhone. Once you see that your iPhone has been restored to factory settings screen, you can proceed to set it up. The final tip is to use AnyUnlock as a solution to bypass your iPhone passcode. AnyUnlock is a comprehensive iOS unlock tool that incorporates 11 cutting-edge technologies. It can assist you in unlocking various types of passcodes, such as screen passcodes, Apple ID, activation lock, MDM, and more. Regardless of the type of passcode you have, AnyUnlock can help you resolve it and regain access to your locked device with just a single click. Let's guide you through the process. Download and launch AnyUnlock on your PC or Mac. Connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. Choose the Unlock Screen Passcode option and click Start Now. Follow the instructions to put your iPhone into recovery mode. Once in recovery mode, you will be prompted to download the required firmware. Click the Download button. The time required for the firmware download depends on its size. Ensure a stable network connection and patiently wait. After the firmware is downloaded, click Unlock Now. AnyUnlock will remove the screen passcode, allowing you to proceed. Next, set up your iPhone as prompted. When you reach there, transfer your apps and data screen, select from iCloud Backup. Sign into your iCloud account, and you will find all available backups listed. Choose a backup to restore from and wait for the process to complete. Once the restoration is finished, you will regain access to your iPhone, and all your data from the selected backup will be restored to your device. That's all tips. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.